Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Cheelers, here to bring you a daily market bias video for Thursday, September 28th. It's approximately 4:15 a.m. on the East Coast. If we would take a look at the overnight session, Asia traded mainly low with the exception of the Nikkei exchange, and now the Indian Sensex is also migrating into positive territory as well. Prior to that, it was only the Nikkei exchange. Currently right now in Europe, and this current and ongoing, Europe is open trading. Europe is now trading mixed, if you will, with about half the exchanges trading higher, the other half trading lower. Until a little while ago, most of them were trading lower, with the exception of the DAX and Paris exchanges. And again, it seems to be migrating between positive and negative territory amongst the various exchanges in Europe. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, US dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. There is correlation between US dollar and crude as this broadcast. Bonds are trading lower. In fact, the entire bond universe is trading much lower. And the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Gold is also trading lower. If we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, at 8:30 a.m. we have GDP, final GDP, unemployment claims, which is typical, usual, and customary for a Thursday. We have good trades balance, preliminary wholesale inventories. These are all pretty much major improvement market movers. Then at 10:15 we have an FOMC member speaking, and to top it all off at 10:30 we have natural gas storage. All this being said, our bias is neutral, and the reason why I was suggesting a neutral bias is gold is trading lower, bonds are trading lower, and in theory, the indices should be pointing higher. They are not right now. Currently right now they're pointing lower, which would suggest a lack of direction, hence a neutral bias. For those of you who are new to us, a neutral bias means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of trading. Best course of action a day like that would be to keep your money on the sideline and wait for a more definitive direction, more definitive trend, before committing your hard-earned capital. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Help yourselves. Look forward to the next time with you.